Hey folks, here again for another episode of the Mad Radio Vlogcast. And I just wanted to draw your attention to the new Facebook page I have here up on the site. I have a download for the latest build of the game. And you can use your PlayStation controller and plug that into slot one, and if you go to this page, there's a little bit about how to control it and how to a little bit about how to play it. And it's just a preliminary demo, and not much to it. Just a little bit of running around. You can switch avatars, and you can shoot. And there's no jumping right now, but I've actually with the flight controls. I'm fixing that right now, or I've actually fixed that. So I will be down or uploading a new version pretty soon, and I don't know if I'll bother people in their emails about it, but I will maybe just edit this link right here on the site so that people can go here and download the new version. So um, I guess maybe as new versions come up, I will probably go in here and just edit this link. Or if I want, just maybe added, a new if I've added a new feature, I might post a pic and then at that time, post a download. But other than that, I've just been editing these new controls, and I've actually fixed it so the flight controller has physics and you can actually rotate around. And that'll come in handy because I've actually got a new, what do they call it? The name of it is procedural algorithm for creating the hexagons on the map. So um, once I get that completely figured out, I will then be able to populate the world with different stuff, and you'll be able to see what's going on, or you'll be able to fly to different places. Like here I am right now, I'm just kind of like way up there. But as you can see, if you look around like in the distance, you can't see any further than like maybe this hexagon. But um, if I head towards that direction, which I'm not doing very quickly, I need to adjust the controls a little bit so that it maybe moves a little bit faster. But I don't know. It's coming along, and like I said, there's a new download that you can go and get. Everybody probably already knows that, but that's what I'll do. And I guess last time I was talking about shaders on the Unity 2018 release, and I finally got that working. So there's some pretty cool shaders that I'll probably show maybe in the future, next couple of episodes. We'll see something like that. But other than that, just the usual, same old, same old. Of course, I need to fix the navigation agents and that type of thing, and working pretty much on actually probably the next thing I'll do is to rebuild the whole thing. But if you've been over here in the demo, you can see all of these different agents and stuff like that, which is pretty cool. I'll fly over there. There's a little bit of a helicopter sound, and I've got this. The sound's a little bit messed up too. So, um, but I'll just descend really quick, and I guess you probably have seen this if you've downloaded this. You can go over here and just sort of look at. You fly through them. They don't have colliders on them or anything. But you can just check out some of the previous mech work that I've done and all of that. And let's run over there and see what we've got. And floating down slowly, slowly. But yeah, I was actually looking at some of the mechs that I plan to drawings that I am working on actually trying to input into the computer system and developing a pipeline for that. And the thing about that is I want to have a selector screen where you can go and select your mech And I'll probably want to do that pretty soon to, keep it interesting so that people once they hit play, there'll be sort of a wait room or a chat room or a lobby where they can pick mechs and head in here and actually once I create a little bit more of the strategy, I'll be able to that'll be a little bit more fun for people, I think. But I guess right now it's mostly you can come in here and see for yourself what I've done and have fun doing that, transforming. And sorry you can't rotate in the craft yet, but I mean, there's really nowhere to go. You have to kind of stay uh, in the base. So I guess once I figure that out, um, as far as trying to get more buildings and stuff input, then it'll be a lot more fun to cruise around at high speed and do that type of thing. But I guess that's pretty much all I have for this week. Working on, so like I said, I would like to have that selector in place and a little bit more refinement on the controls whenever you transform. I'd like that to actually happen. So, yeah, and some more special effects, you've got those shaders, which is pretty cool. So, having that in there would be cool. But yeah, it's just a whole slew of work to do, and including the architecture, and so that'll be cool. I think one of them is itching to get blasted here, but ha- have fun, and I guess I will see you in the next episode of Mad Radio Vlogcast. So this is just an update this week. So I'll talk to you soon. Bye.